Students often tell me they get overwhelmed with the content on A-level psychology. Well, I think I've made the ultimate revision resource. These mind maps are entire units summarized onto just one sheet of A3. I've made each one distinctive so you can visualize it, acting as a cue to the information when you're sitting in your exam. You can get them digitally right now, or as a physical book with filled in and blank versions for every unit. And the book also includes a short guide on effective revision and a revision planner. But if you want to download the posters right now, you get a set of PDFs. You can look at these on your phone, but if you want to print them out, you get them as A4 and A3. You revise from the completed version and then test yourself by seeing if you can include the same information from your memory when you fill in the blank one. Whatever information you miss out on, that's your weak area that you need to revise again. When you can reproduce the poster, you're ready for your exam. You can also follow along with me, fill in the posters section by section in my multi-hour live stream playlist. I've done 7 so far and I'm working on the rest. As you can see, I've got completed posters for every unit, and I'm hoping to have all the live streams done by the 2026 exams. The digital posters are £2 each, but for every 3 you add to your basket, you get a 4 for free. So you can just grab whatever optional unit posters you need. I hope you find these posters useful in your revision and that you'll join me in the rest of my poster completion live streams during this year.